Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find out if someone hid their Instagram story from you. So let's get started. The key here really is to have two accounts. So you have to have a secret account. So for instance, opening up Instagram, I posted this story which I've hidden to my other Instagram account. So if I go to that Instagram account of mine and go to my main account, I'll see that she hasn't posted any story. So that might mean that she's hidden this story from me. And to confirm that, we're gonna need another account. So for instance, I'm gonna borrow my friend's account to check this one. So I'm going to my main account using this other secret account. And as you can see, it shows that my main account has posted the story. So this confirms the speculation that my main account has hidden a story from my other account. And that's how you can easily find out if someone hid their story from you. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.